let's observe the structure of the heart and learn about its functions, right? So the heart has 4 chambers, right? First one, second one, third one, and fourth one, right? The upper chambers are called atria, and the lower chambers are called ventricles, right? These two are atria, and these two are called ventricles, right? So this is called right atrium, this is called right atrium, and this is called right ventricle, right? This is called left atrium, and this is called left ventricle, right? So there are 2 valves between the atria and the ventricles. You can see this is the left atrium, this is left atrium, and this is left ventricle, right? In between these two you can see a white color part, right? It is called bicuspid valve. This is bicuspid valve, right? And we say it is mitral valve as well. So this is the white color part, it is bicuspid valve. And the other one, in between the right atrium and right ventricle, in between the right atrium and the right ventricle, we can see a white color part. What is that? It is tricuspid valve, right? This is tricuspid valve. So now we'll discuss about the arteries, right? There are 2 main arteries connected to the ventricles. If you can see these ventricles, right? These are the ventricles, and there are 2 arteries connected to these ventricles. First one is aorta, this one. Aorta start from the left ventricle, right? It start from the left ventricle. And the other one, pulmonary artery. You can see pulmonary artery, right? Left pulmonary artery, and the other one, this is the pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery, right? So that one start from the right ventricle. You can see that it start from right ventricle, right? Okay. Right, there are 2 main arteries connected to the ventricles. You can see that this is one ventricle, this is left ventricle, and this is the right ventricle. So you can see from right ventricle this one goes, right? This one is connected to this. So pulmonary, we say pulmonary artery start from the right ventricle, right? And aorta, this one, aorta start from the left ventricle, right? There are semilunar valves at the starting points of the main arteries, right? At the main point you can see in here semilunar valves here, and also this is we can't see it properly, but here also there are semilunar valves, right? And you can see main veins are connected to the atria. The superior vena cava, you can see the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava here, right? Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava open to the right atrium, right? Open to this right atrium,